The DIY Murphy Bed hardware kit comes with a very versatile, high-quality fold-up legs. These legs are made out of square tube, which offers increased strength over round tube legs and lasts for a lifetime. In this video, we are going to cover the installation of the fold-up legs on the side rails parts D. It is a good idea to mark the side rails with painting tape to avoid making mistakes when preparing to install the fold-up legs. Shown here is the side rail with the square footer option. Notice the edge banding has already been applied. If you choose to round the footer ends of your side rails, you need to set up the legs first, apply the edge banding, and then attach the lower plates. Here, we are preparing the side rails for the installation of the fold-up legs. The process to install the fold-up legs is the same for both the square footer option and the rounded footer options. Regardless of what footer end option you choose, start by measuring and marking on the end of the side rail according to the measurements indicated in Section 5 of the construction guide. You may use the carpenter's square to finish off marking the side rail. Repeat the same process to measure and mark the other side rail. Now use a 3/8 diameter Foston drill bit and drill 1/2 inch deep in the center of the pencil marks. Do the same for the other side rail. Note the fold-up legs are marked left and right on the top of the mounting plate. The nut on the back of the mounting plate will be inserted into the 3/8 inch diameter hole on the side rail. Use the carpenter's square to square up the mounting plate. Make sure the mounting plate is flush with the top and end of the side rail. Notice here that we have already rounded and applied the edge banding to our side rails to complete the installation of the fold-up legs. With a pencil, mark the 3 holes on the leg plate on the inner side of the side rail. Now use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill completely through the side rail in the center of the pencil marks. Do the same for the other side rail. Flip the side rail over and insert the joint connector into each of the 1/4 inch holes. Now insert the machine screw into each of the joint connectors to secure the leg plate to the side rail. Use the Allen key provided in your kit to finish tightening the machine screws. You can then use the 532 or 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the joint connectors. Note the legs may be installed during the assembly stage of the Murphy bed as well. This might be an option if you want to keep the legs from getting in your way during the rest of the construction process. If you choose to leave the legs installed on the side rails, you may use painting tape to secure the legs to the side rails. The side rails are now complete and ready to be attached to the bed frame. Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.